Hello everyone, I am today another video, day 2, right? Actually, I was very busy with my friend's wedding. That's why actually it has been delayed to upload next video because of I was very busy. Also, I am very busy because I have lots of exam, okay, as CTET, JTET, upper primary. That's why actually I have to work hard for my crack, right? Okay, today I want to introduce myself. That actually you know that my name is Aziz from West Bengal. Actually I am English graduate, right? I am English honors. I have been completed my graduation from Kolani University, Nadia, 2020. Then I have completed my DLED degree, and at present I am doing B.Ed degree, but my B.Ed degree is going to complete in September 2025, right? Then actually my target is to be a teacher in English. It's my aim from my childhood, that actually I wanna be a English teacher. But English language is very important, you know, I have said previous video. And actually English, we have lot of friends actually who have completed graduation in English honors, but I see that they don't speak English fluently. Why? Because of when actually we were doing graduation in English honors, actually my teacher always busy to read us literature, never ever give us advices to learn English fluently, because we always busy to complete our graduation. That's actually we worked hard to read the literature all the time, through the year, through the month, through the week, through the day, but we don't practice English fluently because of we don't have a lot of time to practice English with my friends. So actually that's why lots of students who are graduated in English but they can't speak English fluently because they are always busy. Even I see a PhD degree, my friend has completed PhD, but I see that he also can talk English fluently, right? Actually, if you want to speak English fluently, you need just practice every day. Even I am not a fluent boy, just I'm practice. I wanna be actually a British native speaker. That's actually day by day I'm learning. Okay, so I suggest you, if you want to speak English, you must need practicing. Practice. What are you practice? At first you should learn tense. Tense is very important part of English grammar. That's actually it helps you to understand the time management. Actually how I can express the time. Actually example, যে আমি কলকাতা গিয়েছিলাম, I went to Kolkata, এখন আমি যাচ্ছি, I'm going to Kolkata now. That's why actually these sentences if you translate or you are going to say, but you need to know learn tense. Actually tense is very important. Okay, that's why at first you should learn tense. Okay, after completing your tense, must you practice or must you learn modal auxiliary verb. That is very important, right? Okay, it's my suggestion, and most important that actually you'll have to listen English dialogue or English audiobook, podcast, or everything. Always you'll have to practice, you'll have to listen, because there is a formula, right? To learn English language, LSRW. L listening, S speaking, R reading, or W writing. Most important that you have to listen, must listen. After listening, you try to speak a little bit. Today, actually, I wanna to introduce myself that I am English graduate. My aim to be English teacher. I have completed my graduation from Kullani University, Nadia. Right. Actually, today second day to my challenge 21 days. I was busy with my friend's wedding. My friend's name is Niton Sheikh, actually who completed his wedding. That's actually I was very busy with his wedding. And you know that I am aspirant of CTET, JTET and upper primary. That is actually I am very busy for my studies. Okay. Let's continue to say the importance of English language. Actually, English, we know that it's a global language. You must learn an English language because it helps you in many fields. Okay, in many fields. That's why you must learn English language. You know, listen. Actually, I am an English graduate, but I am not so fluent. Just it's my effort. I'm trying to speak English fluently. Okay. Actually, I know lots of grammar. You ask me from any grammar of English language, I'll answer immediately because I am an English teacher. I teach class 11, 12, 9, 10. Okay, higher class, but actually I don't have any problem in English grammar. Right, actually I am very expert in English grammar, but it's problem that I can't speak English fluently like English native. That's actually it's my effort. Okay, okay, attach with me, and I'll give you lots of advices that actually how you'll speak English fluently, and I'll give you lots of suggestion that how you will learn tense. Actually, I'll learn tense. Okay, completely free of cost. I learn tense, but 21 days because at first let me complete 21 days. After 21 days, I'll give you lots of suggestion. I'll give you tricks that how you will learn very easily tense, and also you will speak English fluently. Okay, today, ta-ta, bye bye.